welcome everyone to another brand new video. And today in this video I like to share you guys how to edit your normal video look like a pro with your Filmora 9. So what do you have to do it? Just color correction your random video and look like a professional cinematic video. So guys, start the video. So as you can see that I am already input my video file and music. So what do you have to do it? Just follow my method one by one. Okay, this is all about Filmora 9 tutorial video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.